Today I'm going to speak on my memorable school incident. So, like what happened just after one day, just after the period, my and my friends are roaming around the corridor. So, but suddenly one of my friends saw our teacher. He went to the washroom. So then one of my friend thought that we should lock the door. So then what happened? We just running towards the bathroom and we lock the door in which the sir is inside. So then after locking the door we went to our classroom back and just like usually we are doing the whatever we are doing in class, but like after some time when someone is passing through, then sir someone like opened the door, and then our teacher is is in a very angry mood, and then he went to the control room. Then what happened, like he saw in the camera that we are four members, and then we are caught, but they don't like say like they don't say us about this thing. They directly call to our parents. Then after some time our parents came, and they are seated in the principal's room. After that our class coordinator came, and he uh, he announced our name, like these four people came out. We have a surprise. We planned a surprise uh, surprise for you. Then uh, like then we entered into the principal's room. Then we saw that our parents are sitting in front of our principal. Then there is lots of a drama between our parents and the principal. Then after that we are suspended for 10 days, and then that's moment.